working on to drive this wrist machine, and as you can see, it requires much power. And just a minute that I was trying to configure a few things here, so pardon that everything is in a little disarray. So what I was doing was to put together the control switch, this one, with the configuration. An AC 3-phase motor like this, just like this, can be made more efficient to run on a single phase, or even a DC, or even an inverter, because it consumes power in terms of watts, not kilowatts. Now this is a 3 kilowatts motor. The DC 180 volts. So the DC coupled with these belts with the AC, and now the drive system. Got capacitors here, got the 12 volts to hold this. We've got the AC to this, so at least at any one given time you can pass power in and hold with the DC 12 volts. And this is a capacitor to smoothen everything out. So let's see if it works. When I place this, I expect this contactor to go high. We will expect a boom, and then the whole thing start rotating. And maybe, I don't know whether I'll do it this way. I can try to operate the machine a bit. A little bit noisy, but I believe I'm getting a different belt because this is tight. This is very loose, as you can see. This is loose compared to this. I want to lengthen this one. I think the one that I'm having at the moment is size A75. I'm looking for A75, and the other one that I have for the 3-phase motor is just a moment, is A53. So I've decided that I will just work on with the A53, just lengthen this one, so A76 will work for me right, and have the whole thing not very tight, at the same time carry the route that I want. This is just an update, and the client, there's a colleague of mine whom we scored sometimes with, and was asking that I show a 3-phase motor operating on single phase. Indeed, there's a single phase. Something else I almost forgot. If you look at the line that I'm carrying power from this socket, and it comes all this way to this contactor and to this system, then to the motor that way. If you look at the wire that I'm conducting this current with, is a very thin wire, carries less than 2 amperes even when I'm starting the motor. So there's nothing that is of heat cap. So as you can see, I've hidden nothing. Wires, all of them are coming from up at this. This extension gets its power from here, and so I'll try and have an adapter that you take whereby I'll take power directly from this socket to power this unit, as well as power this adapter, because as you can see we've got the wire coming all the way down and it's powering all these other things. So these are capacitors that I was just removing one of the capacitors here because I needed a high capacitance unit so that at least it can pulse correct the power that is being lost by the motor, this motor, and stores the power at that capacitor, so that at least later on what I'll immediately it triggers this one and the whole system works, carries on, and I save energy. I'm happy. We've got a single phase line. It's single phase, that's why you see this double one. It doesn't have the 3 wires, it's 2 wires, because it's just a conventional line. As you can see, you've got the line in and the line out. This is just a submeter. In future I'll show you how to run this. Hopefully keep in touch. Make sure that you like my channel. This is Sam Singa.